press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Hello students, welcome to the class and I am here to teach you the poem Trees. The Tree is a beautiful poem written by Shirley Baur. So dear students, can you tell me what are the benefits we get from the trees? There are many. We get many things from the trees. Life is dependent on the trees. Not only human beings, even the animals and birds are dependent on trees. Trees are very much important for our life. We get cool air, oxygen, medicine, flower, fruits, vegetables, and even trees are very important to get rain. Many things would we get, many things are there. And here you can see the introduction part. Take a few minutes to tell one another the name of trees that you know or heard. If I tell you to tell some name of the trees, there are many varieties of trees and the whole day is not enough to mention the name of the trees. That many trees we are having in our nature, and each and every tree is very unique. It will be giving something or another to the life. Okay. So, dear students, before we go to the poem, let us have the introduction about the poet. The poet is Shirley Baur. Shirley Baur born 17th October 1944 and died 17th May 2011 due to cancer. She was suffering from cancer and died due to cancer. And she has written many poems. She was working as a nurse also, and she served the service as a nurse in the hospital, and due to cancer she died. She has written many poems and Trees is one of the poem in her collection. So dear students, as I told you that we get many benefits from the trees. In this poem there are some benefits mentioned. So I will read the poem, just look at your textbook. Trees are for birds. See, trees are for birds. Why? Because trees are very important for the birds. Birds, they will make nest in the tree. It is the shelter for the birds, and they will have some nuts, some leaves, some fruits, and they will feed themselves with the fruits and leaves, nuts on the trees. So trees are very much important for the birds. If there are no trees, where the birds live? How can they live their life? Where they can build their nest? So it is very important. Trees are very much important for the birds. So it is said that trees are for birds. Trees are for children. Why? Because it gives many things for the children also. They play there, they climb on the tree, they will have fun, they enjoy the cool air, the fruits, the flowers, many things. Trees are for children also. Trees are to make tree house in. Some people what they do, you know, if there are big tree, they will make some cuttings and they will make a tree house to sit and to play. So trees are to make tree house in. Trees are to swing swings on. So many people, they put the rope there and they will play swing there. They will have fun under that the tree, the branches. With the help of branches, they will swing and they will play there. So trees are for swings on. Trees are for the wind to blow through. So we will get cool air when we stand near under the tree or nearby. We will get the cool air, and that is very important. Trees are for the wind to blow through. Trees are to hide behind in hide and seek. So many small children, they will play hide and seek, and usually they run towards the tree to hide themselves behind the tree. So trees is a main part when you play any outdoor game. So it is said that trees are to hide behind in hide and seek. So it's really very fun when you are having trees, when you are playing around by. For the hide and seek, maybe for any play, the trees are very much important. We feel very happy to play hide and seek where there are the more trees. Trees are to hide behind in hide and seek. Trees are to have tea parties under. So many people, they would like to sit under the tree, and whenever you go for picnic and all, you will search where is a good tree and where is a cool shade, so that you can sit there and have something. So trees is a very good place to sit under and to have teas. Trees are to have tea parties under. Trees are for kites to get caught in. So when you fly the kites, it will get caught, trapped in the branches of the tree. So trees is for the kites to trap also, to caught in. Trees are for kites to get caught in. Trees are to make cool shade in summer. It is very important. When you are traveling or when you are doing any work, if you find a tree, you will go and stand there to take some rest, to take some cool air. So it's very important. If you find no trees anywhere, you will be missing the tree. You will be searching the tree here and there. So a tree is very much important during the summer. Trees are to make cool shade in summer. Trees are to make no shade in winter. See, this line is very much important. Trees are to make no shade in winter. What does it mean? It means, see, during the summer, trees are important for the cool air and the cool shade. And during winter, it will be very cold first of all. And if you stand under the tree or near the tree, you will get more cold. So it won't give any shade during the winter. So it is said that trees are to make no shade in winter. So we won't get any shade, and even we feel more cold when we stand under the tree during the winter season. So it is said that trees are to make no shade in winter. Trees are for apples to grow and pears. So here some name of the two fruits are mentioned. So trees give many varieties of fruits, but only two are mentioned here, saying that the trees are for apples to grow and pears. So trees are giving us fruits also. Trees are to chop down and call timber. So many trees are chopped down for the construction purpose, and wood are used for many furnitures. So it is used to chop down also, and when the trees are chopped down, the pieces of good wood are called as timber. Trees are to chop down and call timber. Trees make mothers say, what a lovely picture to paint. See, when you don't know to do any drawing and painting, the tree is very easy one to draw and paint. Correct? So the mother say, it is a lovely picture to paint. So tree is very lovely picture to paint. Trees make father say, what a lot of leaves to rake these falls. So where mother say that it is very beautiful picture to paint, the father is concerned about the dry leaves fallen outside. So it will be fallen everywhere, and the father, what he do? He has taken the rake and he is collecting all the dry leaves. Rake means a golden tool with a row of pointed teeth fixed to a long handle used for collecting grass or dry leaves. Where there are more dry leaves fallen, that long handle, one golden tool is required to collect all the grass or dry leaves. So father is concerned about the fallen of dry leaves. So he said that what a leaves to rake this fall. So because of wind or for any reason, the leaves may fall down, the dry leaves, and the father is collecting all the dry leaves. So with the help of that handle, that golden tool. So trees are for everything. Without trees we can't imagine our life also. Without trees even birds cannot survive. Even we won't get any oxygen and the rain also. For each and everything, trees are very much important. It is very nice to look also. We feel very happy when we see a huge tree with beautiful branches and cool shade, and many people, they sit under the tree and they will enjoy their tea parties, or some children will be playing here and there, and some people will be swinging. It's really beautiful to see such nature. So dear students, trees, this poem is very beautiful, which has given many advantages, and some of the advantages here is mentioned in the poem. So once again I will read the poem, just look at it. Trees are for birds. So without trees, the birds can't survive. They can't build their nest some other place. See, just imagine if there are no trees at all. Where the birds can build their nest? It is not possible. So trees take care of the small baby birds. Trees take care of their nest. It will not make it fall. So beautifully the birds will make their nest on the trees. So it is very important for the birds. Trees are for birds and trees are for small children also. So they will play. If there is a big tree, the children loves to play under that tree only. So it is for small children also. So one more thing I want to tell you, the tree play the role as a mother. One more message we can get from this tree is the tree plays the role as a mother. How the mother take care of all the children and the family members? Same like that, the tree take care of birds, animals, human beings, nature, everything. So it is compared as a mother also. You can compare tree as a mother which take care of everyone. So trees are for birds, trees are for children. Trees are to make tree housing. So many people, they cut the trees and they will make the houses also and they live. Trees are to swings on. So many people, they sit and they swing on they put the rope on the branches and they will swing. Trees are for wind to blow. So we get the cool air and oxygen also. Trees are to hide behind, hide and seek. So this is the best game we can play by hiding behind the trees. Trees are to have the tea parties under. So many people, they go for picnic and when they enjoy, they play, they get tired, they just search a good tree so that they can sit under and have their food or tea. So it is for the tea parties also. Trees are for kites to caught in. So when we are flying the kite and when the kite goes and trapped into the branches, we feel very bad. We climb the tree and we will remove the kite. So tree is to catch the kites also. Trees are to make cool shade in summer. So I told you it's very important. During summer, the cool shade is very, very important. Trees are to make no shade in winter because first of all it is very cold and trees, it gives more wind. When you stand near the tree, due to that wind, you will feel more cold. So during winter, it won't give any shade. Trees are for apples to grow and pearls. Means here some of the fruits are mentioned. The trees gives many varieties of fruits also. Trees are to chop down and call timber. So many trees are chopped down for the many household furniture maybe or for the construction purpose maybe it is chopped down. Trees make mother say, what a lovely picture to paint. So I told you when you don't know to do any drawing and painting, the tree is a very easy one to draw and to paint. Trees makes father say, oh what lot of leaves, what a lot of leaves to rake this fall. Means when all the dry leaves are fallen, the father will take a garden tool and he will collect all the dry leaves. So it is about the trees. Only few benefits are mentioned in this poem. If you list on, there are many benefits we get from the trees, and it is very important part of our life. Without trees, we can't imagine our life. So what are some important trees? If I ask you, name some trees. Many are there. Coconut tree, banana, these many mango tree, and each and every tree is unique. We can't say that this tree is of no use. There is no tree that we can say it is of no use. Each and every tree are very unique and it will be having their own importance. The leaves may be, branches may be, flowers may be, medicine may be, the roots may be, each and every part of the tree is important. And the tree are used to chop down and make furnitures and for construction purpose and many things. So as I told you, the tree is compared as a mother also. So as how mother take cares of all the family members, like that the tree take cares of nature, human beings, animals, birds, everyone. So it is compared as mother also. How the mother will be concerned about each and every member of the family, like that the tree, it gives shelter to the birds, it gives food to the humans, it protects the nature, it gives good rain, shade, everything. So tree is also compared as a mother also, a woman also we can call. So tree is very important in our life, and this our poet, that is Shirley Ball, she has written a beautiful poem and she has explained some benefits about the trees in his poem. Hope you understood the poem, students. Read the poem carefully and underline the difficult words, and you can mention some importance of trees, what are the important trees and what are the benefits we get. There will be some specific trees that gives good medicine, and some many trees give many varieties of flowers and fruits also, and some special plants will be there, some special trees will be there which are very much famous and which are very much important for the medicine. So without the help of trees, life is impossible. We can't do anything at all. So trees are very important in our life. So we need to do the plantation. So nowadays we are seeing that everywhere they are chopping the trees and they are constructing the buildings. And later in future we will be not having the good trees, oxygen and fruits, flowers and shelter for the birds. Right. So we need to do the plantation. Each and every home we should plant we should do the plantation, and especially during our birthdays. See, many times during the birthdays, people what they do, they spend the money for the celebration. And okay, it is your own will and wish that you want to celebrate your birthday with your friends and family members. Okay, fine. But keep in your mind, especially on your birthday, if you do one small plantation, the next year you will see with you, the plant will be also growing and it will be giving you more benefit when it grow up. So every year if you do one small, if you bring one useful plant and if you do the plantation, you will be happy seeing that along with you the plant is also growing. So it's very important that we need to do the plantation more and more. Okay, and trees, the benefit of the trees we are having much that we can't even explain. For medicine, how many kinds of roots and the stem and this and that is required from the trees. So trees is very much important in our life. We have to do the plantation. We should not chop down the trees for unnecessary things. Okay, sometimes it is important, the wood is also important, we need to chop down the trees for some important things, but unnecessary for the buildings, for this and that, we should see that if we are chopping down one tree, what are the loss we are going to suffer, what we won't get, many things will be there. If you are doing plantation, what are the benefits you are going to get, and when you are chopping down the trees, what you are going to lose. So importance of trees is very much essential in the human life and nature. So dear students, once again I will read the poem, just look at your textbook. Trees are for birds, trees are for children, trees are to make tree house in, trees are to swing swings on. Trees are for the wind to blow through, trees are to hide behind in hide and seek. Trees are to have tea parties under, trees are for kites to get caught in. Trees are to make cool shade in summer, trees are to make no shade in winter. Trees are for apples and pears, trees are to chop down and call timbers. Trees make mother say, what a lovely picture to paint. Trees make father say, what a lot of leaves to rake this fall. So at the last, the father, he is concerned about the dry leaves fallen outside, and he has taken the garden tool and he is collecting all the dry glass. So each and every point is very very important in this poem. It's very beautiful poem, and some questions are given behind. You have to think of it. See here, what are the games or human activities which use trees or in which trees also participate? So when we are doing anything, the trees also become one of the member of it. Say for example playing, we will take tree also, that if going running and round or hiding or playing or climbing, so trees also participating in our game. And during the this one picnics and tea parties and all, trees also will be one of the member along us. So here it is given that you have to think and you have to write down what are the games or human activities which uses trees or which trees also participate. See, during the decoration especially, if you are having a small tree, you will put lights on that and you will cover the whole tree with the lights. See how beautiful it looks, you know. So that is, the trees also participating in our function. So that is also one thing. So there are many activities in which trees also participates. Unknowingly, we will be not knowing, but tree also will be involved in our human activities. Then one more question is that trees are to make no shade in winter. So what does that line mean? That I told you that during summer the shade, the cool air is very important, but during winter, though it is very much cold, the trees, if you stand near the tree, you will feel more cold again. So during winter it won't give any shade. People don't like to sit under the tree during the winter season. So it says that trees won't give shade during the winter. Then one more is that trees are for apples to grow or girls. Do you agree that one purpose of the tree is to have fruit on it? So whether, see, mango tree, I told you, one of the tree, if we take as an example mango tree will have the good mangoes. Only the tree gives only the mango, not anything else. It gives many things along with mango. It gives mango fruit. The leaves are very much important for the decoration purpose. The roots, the something or other is needed for the medicine. And before the mango gets ripe, the unripe mango is used for pickles, chutneys, this and that. And very importantly, the leaves, I told you, for the decoration purpose, for the puja purpose and all, the leaves are important. The tree gives cool air, shade, it is help to swings, to play, to tea parties, everything. So we can't say that this tree gives only the fruit, this tree gives only the vegetable. No, it gives many things. Along with that, it will give specific fruit or vegetable or flower. So each and every tree is unique and very very important in our life. So it is that. And one more is that with the help of your partner, try to rewrite some lines in the poem and add new ones as your own. So I told you some benefits are mentioned in the poem. Many things we can add. So tree is useful for medicine, correct? So trees are useful for good rain. So many things. You can add many lines to the poem. Only some few examples, some few benefits are mentioned in the poem, and with the help of your friends you can discuss with each other and you can write down, you can add some more lines to the poem. Then one more last line, you can see that. Now try to compose a similar poem about water or air. So one poem you have understood about the benefits of trees. So same like that, air and water. You can compose your own poem. See why water is important in our life. Why air? What is the importance of air in our life, in nature? That you can compose your own poem also. So it is given that try to compose a similar poem about water or air. So see, it is very much important. You can try, you can have some beautiful collection of words, and you can make it some rhymings also, and you can write down the poem similar to the water and air. How, see how trees are important. So trees are for this, trees are for that, trees are for this, everything you have come to know. So what about air and water? So water, what is the importance of it? What is the important, how does what is the importance of water in our life and nature? What is the importance of air and in nature, in our life and in our nature? So that poem you can compose. You can write down a short poem using and saying the benefits about air and water. And poem, I hope you understood the poem, and read the poem once again, discuss with your friends, and try to compose a good poem using the benefits of water and air. Okay, and if you find any difficult word, just underline the words and see the rhyming words are here. Some rhyming words are here, you can see that you can find out the rhyming words, and you can list down the benefit of the trees mentioned in the poem, and again you can list down what are the more benefits we can get from the trees. So here it is given, see that is the question number 3. That is, with the help of your partner, try to rewrite some lines in the poem or to add new ones of your own. So whatever benefits are mentioned in the poem, apart from this, you can add some more lines, and you can make the poem a little bit lengthy also. You can add some more benefit which is not mentioned in this poem. That is one task given to you, that you have to add some more lines. Again you can write, you can compose a small poem similar like water and air. So this is about the poem. Dear students, read the poem once again and underline the difficult words. If you don't understand anything, you can drop the message, will clarify your doubts. And once again, I will read the whole poem, just look at your textbook. Trees are for birds, trees are for children, trees are to make tree house in, trees are to swing swings on. Trees are for wind to blow through, trees are to hide behind in hide and seek. Trees are to have tea parties under, trees are for kites to get caught in. Trees are to make cool shade in summer, trees are to make no shade in winter. Trees are for apples to grow on and pulse, trees are to chop down and call timbers. Trees make mother say, what a lovely picture to paint. Trees make father say, what a lot of leaves to rake this fall. So it's a beautiful poem. And regarding rake, I told you the meaning. A garden tool with a row of pointed teeth fixed to a long handle used for collecting grass or dry leaves. So this is about the poem. Dear students, read the poem and understand and find out some more benefits and try to add some more lines to the poem, and also compose a short poem about the benefits of water and rain. Hope you understood the poem. Read the poem once again, and if you get any doubts regarding this, you can drop the message. We'll clarify your doubts. Till then, take care. Thank you. Bye-bye.